In this exercise, we have a demand and supply curve for a particular product. The demand curve is Q equals 2500 minus 20p. The supply curve is Q equals 10p minus 500. We'll begin by finding the equilibrium price and quantity. So what I could do is simply set the demand curve equal to the supply curve and solve for P, in which case I'd get $100 and a quantity Q of 500. And so here's a graph that represents this. If I were to use the calculator to find this point, I would simply press y equals and then enter the demand function as y1 and the supply function as y2. And then for a window, I've set x min equal to 0, x max equal to 125. My y min is a negative 750, my y max is 3000. And so when I press graph, I get this image much like I have over here. To find the point of equilibrium, I simply press second and then trace for calculate. Choose option number 5 for intersect. Then I answer the 3 questions. The first curve is the demand curve, and it shows itself right here in the left-hand corner. Press enter. The next question is second curve. Now the supply function appears, so press enter. And then for a guess, just press enter. It will lock in the point of intersection. X equal 100, that's the price, $100, and Y equals 500, that's the number of units. So now let's consider a $6 tax on the consumers. And so if the tax is on the consumers, the demand function will have to be changed. And so it becomes 2,500 plus 20 times P plus the tax, P plus 6. The supply curve remains unchanged, and its Q equals 10P minus 500. I could simply set these two equal, solve for P. The new price would be $96. The new quantity would be 460 units. So in the calculator, I could press y equals and then take the demand function and edit it. And so it would be 20 times X, the price, plus the tax, $6. And so now I have the new demand function, the supply curve, press graph, find the new point of intersection, second, and trace for calculate, option number 5 for intersect. The first curve, demand, second curve, supply, guess, and it locks in, and here I find the equilibrium price, X, to be $96, and the equilibrium quantity to be 460 units. That's what I have here in this graph. So the producer, who used to receive $100 for this product, now receives a price of $96. This is $4 less than before, and so $4 is his share of the tax. For the consumer, they pay $96, the price, plus a $6 tax for a total of $102. This is $2 more than the $100 they used to pay, and so the $2 is their share of the tax. Notice that $4 plus $2 is the total of $6, which is the government's share for the tax. So for the total tax revenue for the government, it's $6 per item times the number of items that can be sold at this new equilibrium point, which is 460 units. That's a total of $2,760.